Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we solve exercise 11.2. In this exercise, we multiply binomial or trinomial multiply by monomial. Observe the first bit. First expression is 5 cube. Second expression is p plus q minus 26. Here observe, in the first one is the monomial, second one is the trinomial. Monomial multiply with trinomial. So 5 cube into p plus q minus 26. Their product is equal to given 5p cube plus 5q square minus 10qr. In the second question, trinomial is multiply monomial. So here write kl plus lm plus mn is multiply 3k. Here first term is multiply kl into 3k plus second one is lm into 3k. Third one is mn into 3k. Their product is equal to 3 into k square L. Second one is 3 k L m. Third one is 3 k m n. Third one is 3 k m n. Next one, third question. AB square monomial is multiply trinomial a b square plus c cube. Here first step, write the monomial into first term in the trinomial plus ab square into b square in the second term of the trinomial. Third one is monomial ab square multiply third term of the trinomial, so c cube. Okay, after that multiply ab square into a square into b square plus ab square into b square, a b power of 4. Third one is a b square c cube, a b square c cube. Okay, next one, fourth question. Trinomial multiply monomial x minus 2y plus 3z multiply x y z. Write the first one, x into xyz minus 2y into xyz. Third one is 3z into xyz. So x square into yz minus 2 into xy square z plus 3 into xyz square. Okay, next one. Second bit, simplify 4y into 3y plus 4. 4y into 3y plus 4. Monomial multiply binomial. So 4y into 3y, distributive law apply, 4y into 4. 4 3 is 12, y into y square plus 4 4 is 16y. Second question, third question, simplify x into 2x square minus 7x plus 3. First of all, multiply x into 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Their product is equal to x into 2x square 2x cube plus into minus minus 7 into x square plus 3 into x 3x. Next step, to find the value of at x is equal to 0 1, x is equal to 1 is the second value. First one is x is equal to 1. Then value is equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 7 into 1 square plus 3 into 1. 2 into 1 cube is equal to 1. 7 into 1 square is equal to 1. 3 1 is 3. 2 minus 7 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 5 minus 7, that is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 1. Next step, x is equal to 0. Then value is equal to 2 into 0 cube minus 7 into 0 square plus 3 into 0. So 2 into 0 cube is equal to 0. 7 into 0 square is equal to 0 plus 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Their sum is equal to 0. Okay. Next question. Add the product. So fourth question, observe a into a minus b is the first one is, and addition means plus. Second one is b into b minus c. Third one is c into c minus a. Their product is equal to a into a square minus a into b ab plus b into b square plus into minus minus bc plus c square minus c into a ac So therefore a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, fifth question solve చేసుకోండి. Next sixth question, subtract the product 2x into 5x minus y from the product of 3x into x plus 2y. And seventh question, same question. Here find solution of seventh question. First of all, write the from 6k into 2k plus 3l minus 2m. Subtract means minus. Second expression 3k into 5k minus l plus 3m. Open the brackets. First one is 6k into 2k plus 6k into 3l. Third one is 6k into minus 2m. Same, minus 3k into 5k minus 3k into minus l minus 3k into 3m. Next step, 6 2 is 12, k into k square plus 6 3 is 18, k into l kl plus into minus minus 6 2 is 12, k into m km minus 3 5 is 15, k into k square minus into minus plus 3 into kl minus 3 3 is 9 km. Here observe 12 k square minus 15 k square. These two are the like terms. Again, second one is 18 kl plus 3 kl. These two are the like terms. Next one 12 km and minus 9 km. These two are like terms. So simplify. First one is minus 3 k square plus 21 kl. Last one is minus 12 km minus 9 km. These two are symbols negative. So their sum is equal to minus 15 km. These three are the unlike terms. Okay. Next one, last question in this exercise. A square into a minus b plus c plus b square into a plus b minus c minus c square into a minus b minus c. First one is a square into a cube minus a square b plus a square c. Second one is a b square plus b cube minus b square c. Last one is minus ac square minus into minus plus bc square plus c cube. Okay, so a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Next one is minus a square b. Next one is plus ab square plus a square c minus ac square plus bc square minus b square c. ఓకే, ఈ విధంగా మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి సెకండ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లోపల బైనోమియల్ కావచ్చు, మోనోమియల్ నోమోనోమియల్ ట్రైనోమియల్ మల్టిప్లై చేసి డిఫరెన్స్ కావచ్చు, సమ్ కావచ్చు, ఏ విధంగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు నేర్చుకోవడం జరిగింది. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కూడా మనకి బైనోమియల్తో ట్రైనోమియల్ కావచ్చు, లేదా ట్రైనోమియల్ని బైనోమియల్తో కావచ్చు, ఏ విధంగా మల్టిప్లై చేయొచ్చు, ఏ విధంగా సింప్లిఫై చేయొచ్చు నేర్చుకుందాం.